Hey guys, BrickQueen here, and I am playing some LEGO Dimensions. I actually haven't played in a while, and this is my first time going to the Scooby Doo world. So let's go ahead and check that out together, and we can see what it's like. I know a lot of you have probably already played this, but I'm just now getting to it, so I thought you guys might want to watch this a little bit. And if you want me to keep playing this game on my main channel, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do have a gaming channel, but I don't upload on there as often as I'd like to, so I'm considering just combining the channels. But we'll see how this goes. Um, let's see, we have to get some parental guidance from Mumsy Doo and Dada Doo. Hey Lego, why don't you make those? I'm just kidding. I really don't see any need in Lego making those. Although, I mean, new characters is always cool. But, alright, we have to help Mumsy and Dada Doo. Alright, so... Come on, Batman. I guess we're protecting them on their way. Let's see. Ah, skeletons. Oh no. I think I just hit somebody that was innocent. Oops. Yeah, I just did it again. Why are innocent people running up here? Oh, hang on, Mumsy Doo. Taking off running quick there. There's all kind of studs and stuff for me to collect around here. I guess she is really ready to get where she's going. Okay. Take it we're going up to that mountain, I guess? I don't know. Let's see which way she turns. All my studs rolled down the mountain. Oh well, I guess. I'll find plenty more later. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, now there's ghosts. Roast. Oh, Scooby Doo's always been funny. Alright, how many ghosts are there? Oh, there's ghosts up above us too. I guess I don't have to mess with the ghosts above us. Probably get the Ghostbusters out to take care of that, but I'm kind of on a mission, so I've got to help Mumsy and Dada Doo. Let's see, where are we going? Are we going up here now? Oh, the cemetery, that's exactly where we need to be. Not at all. Wouldn't there be a way that doesn't go through the cemetery? Well, I guess you want us to. I guess they just want to see us fight the skeletons and the ghosts. Okay. Dada Doo kind of was headless there for a second. And there's a lot of skeletons. Are we about done? Yep, as soon as they take off, that means we're done. Come on. Okay. Didn't want to have to destroy an innocent minifigure, but apparently the dogs couldn't get by otherwise. Oh look, studs. Let's just go collect all of these. Man, how far do we have? Oh wait, where did she go? Oh. I thought that was like a cliff we were gonna fall off of or something. That's a long trip to take them where they're going. Man. Well, we've defeated ghosts and skeletons each twice now, I guess. Let's just finish up these ghosts and we will have. Okay, we're ready to go again. But how much longer? I don't know. We'll see. Come on. Let's just run on up here. They'll catch up in a minute, right? Let's get these studs. Where are they at? Ah, I guess I got too far away from them. Come on. You can make it. It's a really long trip. You can make it. I guess this is where we're going, I hope. The haunted house.
You know, with a few extra studs, I could
Oh,
probably
why you'd
fix
want to
this up
hang
for
out
you.
at a haunted house, but okay. Oh, look, there's Daphne.
We made it.
Yay, it's over!
Mumsy dude!
No more leading them around to this crazy place.
Scared off by all these silly rumors about ghosts on the island. Oh dear.
Gold brick for my troubles, though. That's nice. Alright, let's just go talk to a ghost. Oh, restore the haunted house. Sure, why not? And there are all kinds of new stuff up there. Well, that was pretty cool. Alright. I guess I don't get anything specifically for that. Oh well. We'll just have Scooby Doo dig a hole over here. Did he not get that? I will have Gandalf. No. Come on, Gandalf. Cooperate here. Okay, and let's see what we can build. Oh. Man, all my studs. They just keep rolling down the mountain. Ah, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Come on, Gandalf, you need to get out of that. They really kind of put that in a bad spot. Those little helpful boxes just get in the way a lot. We have to get Gandalf out of there. Okay, there you go. I just took him off the board, and we'll just put it back on. And now everything's okay. And let me guess, we're gonna find a gold brick in here. Yep, there it is. But there's studs to collect too.
Probably check that this doesn't have any evil inscriptions. No, seems quite safe.
Alright, Gandalf, I think you've destroyed everything. We should probably go check out the inside of the haunted house. But Gandalf has found studs to collect. Okay, so what's in here?
I thought I'd seen it all, but then
Don't
a bearded
have
lady and
anything
a
to
dog tried
say.
to sell me car insurance.
Bearded lady and a dog. Anyway. I don't know why I was using Gandalf. We should be using Batman. Alright, what's up here? Anything important? I guess Batman's not in the music. Destroyed a piano and a record player. Doesn't look like there's anything up here. What are these? Just way to get studs, that's it. Well, what is the point in being in here? Well, we're getting studs at least. I just don't know what we're supposed to be doing.
Spookiest holiday location.
Maybe we're not even supposed to be inside the haunted house right now. I don't know.
I thought I'd seen it all, but then a bearded lady and a dog tried to sell me car insurance.
Well, let's try outside, shall we? But, I think we need a flying character. And we don't really have one, so Slimer it is. He fits in with all the ghosts here. Alright, Slimer. Ooh, what's this?
Hey, you might find this interesting.
Oh, we need the titanium ninja, eh? I have him around here somewhere. Or you can hire a hero? That's odd.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
Where is my titanium ninja? Okay. He's trying to enter the game.
Does someone
There he
require
is.
my services?
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. No, I don't want to. I already have Zane. Okay. And how does this
A
work?
ghost. I hope this one's intentions are less
just
malevolent
hold
than
down
the
B.
others we've met.
I think. Yep. Okay, so we only have to find 4 more of those switches, I guess. Well, I guess I'll just keep Zane and try and go around the outside of here. Maybe I can somewhat easily get to another one. We'll see. May have to switch back to Slimer, as it's easier. Okay. Let's see. Well, we could... Oh. That's odd. There's bars there. I guess I probably have to do something to get rid of the bars first, but, we'll just cheat and fly. It's not really cheating, but having a flying character makes things like this so much easier. And then all we have to do once we find a spot we need Zane is take him off and put him back on. Let's grab these studs real quick. Alright. And then we'll just bring Zane up here real
If you
quick.
ever have need, then do not hesitate to summon me again.
There we go. Perfect. And now we have the second one. We need to find 3 more of these. I see one down there. Wonder if I can get to that.
A ghost. I hope this one's intentions are less malevolent than
Awesome.
the others we've met.
I think I can make it. As long as I don't fall trying to get there. Yes. Alright, now we just need 2 more. Gather some studs, and then we'll go on the hunt for the other 2 switches. I didn't mean to switch to them. Let's just... No. That's not what I wanted to do either.
Velma?
Oh well, we'll
Fred,
just
where
run
are
right back
you?
out here.
Dada do? Mumsy do?
And fly. Okay, so where would the other switches be? Wait, is this... Yeah, we haven't done this one yet. And we'll just bring Zane in. Maybe?
I should be going. I have to finish preparing dinner for the others.
There he is. Okay, so we only have to find one more switch after this one, and then we probably just get a gold brick out of this. We'll see. But that's kind of what I'm expecting.
Velma? Fred, where are you?
Let's just fly around until we find that last switch. Wait, is that it? Yeah, must be, because there's still studs there. Or was before I got them just then.
If you ever have need, then do not hesitate to
And
summon me again.
come on, Zane! Let's go ahead and get that last switch. I hope. Oh, and he already fell off. Okay, back to Slimer again. We'll go back up there and do the same thing.
Velma? Fred, where are you? Dada do? Mumsy do?
Now we'll bring Zane up again,
I should be going. I have to
and
finish
we'll be
preparing dinner
careful
for the
not to
others.
switch to a different character this time.
I hope that I was of some help in your endeavors.
Come on, Zane. Where's he at? Oh. Well, let's see if we can get him up there. I don't know if he can do this or not. Yes, he can swing on those poles. Awesome. And now we're going to
I
activate
hope
the
this
last
one's intentions
switch.
are less malevolent than the others we've met.
And it is a gold brick, as expected.
Velma? Fred, where are you?
And we'll just have Slimer fly up there and get it,
Mumsy do?
because it's easier. All the way to the top. Yeah, it wasn't that one. Up here. Gold brick. And there's some studs to get on our way back down. Well, got to the ground
Well,
fast
it's not
then.
the fir-
Alright, and let's see what Daphne wanted out here.
Mumsy do?
Who'd have thought spending a night in a spooky old house on the hill would be such a bad idea? I woke up this morning and everyone was gone. I've looked all over, but I can't find the rest
Okay,
of the gang
time to
anywhere.
hunt down some
We must be
characters.
missing something. Some secret hiding places, perhaps? Let's take another look.
Alright, where would they be hiding?
There were
I
four
don't
others
know.
Fred, Velma, and Scooby's parents, Mumsy do and Dada do. They must still be in or around that house somewhere.
Let's have Slimer fly around and look for them. I suppose someone could be hiding inside there, if we figured out how to open it. Oh look, there's a thing for Wildstyle. Is she like the only one not on her way up here? Come on, Wildstyle.
I'm Wildstyle, and I'm not the DJ.
And... Yep, that's exactly where someone was hiding. Awesome. One character down.
Jinkies! I thought I'd never get out of there.
We have Velma now. Okay, so is there one probably hiding on the other side right there too? We just need to find a way to activate it, but that is for next time. Join me later for Wild Style Exploring the Haunted House. Click the picture to see another video, or click the question mark to see a mystery video.